Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello viewers, welcome once again to my channel. My name is Muhammad Atiq Anwar and you're watching my channel Muhammad Atiq Anwar and Education for us all. So I thought I'd share this simple recipe with you. It's once again a mum recipe. She used to make this very quickly, and the idea, her idea was that anything that was left over can be made into rolls, or what she called lettuce rolls. Okay, so we've got various fillings that were left over. So we've got some chicken over here that was for sandwiches, but that's left over, and we've got some mincemeat that was used for samosas, and that is the overflow, if you like. We've still got that left, so we're going to use that as a filling for the rolls. So we need lettuce, we'll need an egg, we'll need some a sauce of your choice. I've got some breadcrumbs here. I forgot to mention we need some peas as well, because the children like peas. So can we have some the sauce into the chicken and the peas, please? Half and half, half in that and half in the peas. Okay, that'll do. And some in this. Okay, give that a good mix. So viewers, you can add your own spices as well. We already added salt and pepper into this, and the keema has got, the mince has got lots of spices, you know, garam masala, chili flakes, everything is in there. Okay, so we just need to crack the egg and prepare that, because it's going to go into there. I think I described them as rolls. They are actually wraps. So what we need to do is to place the chicken and the peas into the middle, and now we're going to give that a fold. Okay, can we fold that over? Okay, folding that over. And once more to the shape that you want. Okay. Then we're going to add some egg to that, please. So press it down on both sides. So add some breadcrumbs to that. So another thing that time that we used to have this is at Ramzan time. Okay, so that has gone into there. And can we put 2 or 3 in there now then, please? So as I say, it's a nice quick snack, and it's something that Mum used to make at Ramzan time as well. So as you can see, we've got our wraps in now. We're going to cook them on both sides for about 4 minutes, 2 minutes on each side. So as you can see, viewers, this one has cooked really nicely, and so is that one. That one's perfect, really. And that is our final product, viewers. So as you can see, it's nice and crispy. And let's have a taste. Okay, viewers, I did do a taste there, and it tastes really nice. I could have done with more spices, but I think because the children are having it as well, it will do. That is the end of another cooking segment, Cooking Made Simple. I thank you for watching. Please keep watching. Until the next time, I say look after yourselves, look after others, अपना ख्याल रखना, दूसरों का ख्याल रखना, दुआओं में याद रखना. Allah Hafiz.